This free Route 33 Wrestling live match is brought to you by Groves Auto Service, Twister's Garage, and the City of Spencer.
Next tag team match, scheduled for one fall. Your referee for this contest is Casey. Introducing first.
Tag team action, and we are off to a big start. Slash Gallagher teaming with Party Girl, the team on your left. Slash Gallagher wearing the white face mask, taking on Kamen Mk. Only one, the only Purple Parrot, Colin Sheen. Oh, and here we go, head-to-head confrontation. These two straight away equally matched. Neither will give any quarter in the pursuit of glory here at Rt33 Wrestling. Earl Joseph, the Liverpool Lip, reporting to you live from Spencer, West Virginia. What a time to be alive, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, now there's great fluidity by Kamen Mk, who immediately transitions into that pinning combination. Purple Parrot there squawking for all he's worth. Certainly a very bright and defined character. Speaking of define, let's take the action in ring. Kamen Mk / Gallagher. Running the ropes back and forth. Nice hip toss by Gallagher. Didn't even get a 1 count. Referee there, Casey Dillon, cannot even get to the floor. Oh, and a solid right from Kamen Mk. Stinger splash. And in comes the Purple Parrot, Colin Sheen, on a wing and a prayer. A lot of bird puns incoming in this match, I promise you. Oh, and a big elbow. Very, very nicely done. First pinfall attempt in the match gets a 2.5 by my counts. Bit of wrestling history for you there. Colin Sheen invoking WrestleMania 3. And giving it the old Hulkamania strut. Here we go. Could be a big leg drop, and it is. And he's wearing the yellow tights, so why not? And Gallagher tags in Party Ghoul. A terrifying competitor if there ever was one. And keeping in that arm lock, or the wrist lock, my mistake. Cinched in, reversed very neatly, and re-reversed, if indeed that is a word, by Colin Sheen and Party Girl. Using her craziness to her advantage. Some very big personalities in this ring. Oh, and there we go, hammerlock, nicely done by Colin Sheen. I'm not a chicken, he said. Certainly proving that right. Oh, hang on, Party Girl. Pretty much an ankle biter. And this is going to be a very intriguing contest. It already has been. Now watch out for those bites. Right on the arm. Oh, hang on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Party foul by the Party Ghoul. And Gallagher picks up his partner, uses her as a weapon. Body slam, it's 2. Sheen kicks out, and now Gallagher. My mistake, Gallagher was the legal man there. Party Ghoul realised that. Rolled up by Sheen, rolled up. And Sheen has taken a lot of punishment, holding his own though. Kamen Mk, you can see, gesticulating to his partner. Needs that tag to change the momentum of this match. Sheen into the corner. Running clothesline by Gallagher. Oh, and hang on. Referee distracted. Long blower by Slash Gallagher. Ably assisted by Party Girl. Hanging Sheen out to dry on the ropes. A little bit of taunting there from Slash Gallagher. I think we know where this is going. Manipulating that arm. Moving to the other very, very fluently. Oh, look at that. Moving into a Texas cloverleaf with the left arm of Colin Sheen secured. Oh, and Ghoul eliminates, if only temporarily, Kamen Mk. I think it's time, she says. It may well be. Big suplex with the bridge. Oh, and right onto the left arm. And the left thigh. Remorseless. And the right thigh. We're going for the whole Vitruvian man body sprint here. And that right bicep. And again for good measure. And a splash going into the pinfall. Party Girl, she's loud as she is talented. And Colin Sheen is giving every last ounce of strength here. Oh, and another suplex with a bridge. And Sheen makes the ropes there, pulling that submission combination. The thing he really needs right now is a tag. Kamen Mk, desperate to get in the ring. Hopping from foot to foot, using the bottom rope for leverage. Needs in the ring. Oh, and a big suplex. Here we go, Sheen is inches away, he just needs to reach out. And here we go, Kamen Mk is in. The tag has been made. Now he's very much in control. Sheen brought himself back in. As Kamen eats a huge spiked DDT. Oh, and there's that flatliner. Face first goes Party Ball. Party's over. Oh, wow. Right into the pectorals. And Slash Gallagher hits that wheelbarrow bulldog. Very nicely done. Big curb stomp. Curb stomp by Gallagher. It's 1, it's 2, it's 3. Slash Gallagher. And Party Ball. Your winners. And this was certainly a match of two halves, so to speak. Kamen Mk and Colin Sheen started off very much in control. The old Hogan leg drop. But it was their opponents who took control as the match wore on. And then just when you thought the flatliner had sealed the deal, it was that wheelbarrow very neatly converted into that bulldog, and boom! Face first goes Colin Sheen. That's all she wrote, and that's all I said. I'm Earl Joseph, the Liverpool Lip. We'll be back with more Route 33 wrestling action.